Shmai Bow. Today we're going to be looking at giving change from a pound. So what coin is this? We know this is the pound coin. But what else do we know about the pound? We know the pound is the same as 100 pence, or it's the same as 10 lots of 10 pences. This set of coins also represents the pound. We also know that 10 is the same as having 2 5 pences, because we know 5 and 5 makes 10. We need to keep this in mind for when we're answering our questions. Can you help me count these next set of coins? So how much do I have? I have 2 lots of 10 pences and 1 5 pence. Well, I know 10 add 10 is 20, add 5 more will give me 25. And we say it as 25 pence. A challenge for you. How much more money do I need to get to a pound? The sum I'm looking at is £1 take away 25 pence, or 100 pence take away 25. I'm going to use a number line to help me work this out, and there's 2 different ways you can do it, which I'm going to show you today. We can count up from 25 to 100. So let's have a go at that one. 25 isn't a whole decade number, isn't a whole 10 number. So I need to get it to a whole 10 number. I know I need to add 5 pence to get me to 30 pence, to the next whole number. Now I'm just going to jump in 10 pences until I get to my 100 pence. Keep adding 10 pences until I get to the end of my number line. Once I've done that, I need to count how much money I have added on to my 25 pence. Let's count. 5 add 10 is 15. Add 10 more is 25. 35, 45, 55, 65, 75. I know that £1 take away 25 pence is 75 pence. Let's just try the other way, where we're going to count down this time. So I start at my 100 and I count down until I get to my 25 pence. Because we're starting with a whole number, a whole decade number, I'm going to count down in tens. So if I take 10 pence away, I've got 90 pence. Another 10, 80 pence, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30. I can't take another 10 pence away because it'll take me to 20 pence, but I only want to go to 25, so I know I need to take away another 5 pence. Again, let's add the money that we took away from the 100 pence. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, add the 5, 75 pence. So we can see we get the same answer, but it's just a different way of doing it. Let's have a go at a question. I go to the shop and I buy a cake bar for 35 pence. I pay with a £1 coin. How much change do I get? I'm going to use a number line again and I'm going to count backwards. So I start at my 100 and I count down until I get to my 35. Again, I've got a whole decade number, so I'm going to start counting down in tens. And I keep counting down until I can't count down any further by taking 10 pence away each time. I can't take another 10 pence away because it'll take me to 30 pence and I only want to get to 35. So I just take my 5 pence away. Now I add up how much I took away from my 100 pence. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, add the 5, 65 pence. I get 65 pence change. Have a go at these questions. How much change do I get if I pay with my pound coin? Upload them to Seesaw so your teacher can see. Good luck, guys!